Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So we have discussed many command, but there is a very useful command. The office thing we are using command is uptime. This command will show the uptime of the system. So current time is okay. The system time is bit different from my laptop. So as per this thing is October 29th and is evening 8 o'clock. Okay, it's showing. So system is showing uptime 18 minutes. One user logged in and load average is this. We'll go to load average, but the main use of uptime command is showing like since how long system was up. You can use uptime. Okay, see it is live thing it's showing. Okay, so it's showing 1958 this system we have started. So system came up in a boot process completed and everything. It is around 1958. Okay, since then it is running. So time is 19 minutes. See, earlier it was showing 18 minutes and now it's showing 19 minutes. So it's keep on changing according to your diet and time. Okay, so uptime is a command which will show like system is up from since how long. There are other options also. You can use a man uptime command, but in office we are using simple uptime, no other thing. But see, if you want to go to other option, you are having pretty since version, only 3 option. Okay, so this uptime command itself is enough to tell system is running from past 90 minutes. So where we can use this command? Okay, you got an email saying that my server is not reachable, check it is up and running or not. You have checked, so you have logged in and you have run the uptime command. If system uptime is some like 19 minutes, so then it means it got rebooted or someone has rebooted or restarted the system. Then you came to know, okay, user was not able to access due to someone has rebooted or system is having some problem, due to that it got rebooted. So using uptime command only will come to know what's the uptime of the system, it got rebooted or not. Sometimes user are not able to access the server due to different reason, and system was running from 300 days, 400 days. Even I saw system was running from like 700 days, 2 years, 3 years, 1100 days also. So this is the first command we use to check system is running since how long days. So this is a very simple command, easy to remember. Check it, see other option of this. See you in the next video.